Hey, hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Guess what? I upgraded my camera body today and I'm super excited to unbox it. Let's get to it. Canon 90D unboxing. What?
It's a 90D unboxing. It's a 90D unboxing. It's a 90D unboxing. Canon 90D is the best camera in the world.
Yeah, come on steps. Yeah. I'm super excited to get into this. You know, I've always wanted the Canon 90D ever since it was released because one, 4K footage, two, my camera body itself, because of heat, it just stops filming automatically for no reason. I've had it for a long time. It's a Canon 70D. So I'm just excited to just delve right into the Canon 90D and see what potential I can make of it. Maybe you're asking why an APS-C sensor, not a full frame sensor? Well, the reason why is because cost. I have all the lenses for the APS-C. For a full frame, I'll have to restart again and, spend multiple thousands of dollars, where this is just an easy option for me to upgrade straight into, get my hands on some 4K footage, just create some awesome content, and I'm looking forward to just unboxing this. Let's get into it. Woo! All right, so, hallelujah. It's my favorite thing to do in the world, is doing that. All right, let's have a look. So, unboxings. So you obviously get the user manual. Keep that safe, so you want to know how to use it. You get your charger up in here. Let's open this up. This is standard, so it's just a Canon charger for the batteries. So you get your Canon battery, you stick it in like that. Whoa, am I doing this properly? Yeah. And then it charges your batteries. Fantastic. The next thing you get is obviously the charger for your battery charger. You get your strap. It's a nice little strap. Let's look at that. Ooh, so official. It's got the 90D right there. Look at that. Just absolutely beautiful. I love this. Oh my gosh. Guys, I just can't believe I'm getting this, because I've honestly started from the bottom in this industry of film and photography, and now I'm able to afford my own upgrade of a camera. I've worked super hard for this, and you know what? I deserve it because I've worked hard for it. You can get anything in life if you just work hard for it. You get yourself a battery. There we go, the Canon battery, standard. It's always good to have like two batteries, especially on a filming day when you're shooting heaps of content, because one battery is going to die and then you're like, oh, I don't have another battery. So there we go. And here it is. Are you ready for the grand reveal? And there we go, the body itself, the Canon 90D right here. Straight away, the first thing that I see that's a little bit different is this little joystick over here. There's a mad joystick. There's clicky inny. Yeah, that's how I talk. Clicky inny. So basically I can delve straight into this and know exactly what I'm doing, because I've upgraded from the Canon 70D. And yeah, I'm just super excited to delve straight into this. And yeah, it just feels so good. Like the feel of it feels brand new. It's got a good weight to it. I can tell there's some updates. You've obviously got your flip screen. That's another reason why I've gotten it, so I can see myself while I'm talking to the camera, or I can position myself correctly, all that jazz.
You like jazz?
Obviously there's no battery in it, so I'm gonna just load it up, see how it all feels. It's super intuitive. The first thing that I noticed when I first turned this on was it's got a Bluetooth option. So I'm super excited to delve into this Bluetooth option. Yeah, so the first thing it asks is to set the date. So I'm gonna set the date real quick. What day is it? Let me figure out the date. 9th of March. All the buttons just feel super good, super nice. And it's touchscreen. One of the first things that I noticed as well when I was trying it with the store, in the store, sorry, was, damn, that's fast. That's nuts. Woo! Ah! Like, I just love the graphics on the actual touch interface. It just looks so much better. Holy crap. And it feels so much better, all the buttons. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy right now.
I'm so happy.
That's hectic. Wow. I couldn't be happier with this. I mean, it's a good upgrade and it just feels so nice. You've got all your normal inputs of everything. But yeah, that's literally Canon 90D unboxing. Basic video of it. I mean, might as well attach your lens to it. Wow. That's nuts. I don't know if you can be able to see any of this stuff. It just looks so good.
So good.
Woo. Yeah, that's fun. Just a fun camera because 1, it's lightweight. 2, it's got the flip screen. 3, 4K footage. 4, it's just a sick ass camera. So yeah, I'm super excited to play around with that. And I might do a review video later on, but I just feel like this video in itself is just good as an unboxing video and also just a way to kick back off my YouTube channel, start uploading again. There's some really, really cool stuff coming. But yeah, I'm super excited, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day. See ya. Bye.